Congressional Oversight Committee na to, na tumitingin dapat sa Maharlika Fund. The fact that they were asking questions, that is yung mga senators natin, the fact that they were asking questions, no, reflect that they are clueless. They have no information as to what is happening to the Maharlika Fund. And it seems to me, never silang nag-meet as a oversight body para tingnan ng mabuti kung anong nangyayari dyan sa Maharlika Investment Fund Act na yan. The law requires, no, yung Maharlika Investment Fund Act requires that there has to be, in fact, a quarterly report submitted to Congress. So kung nagtatanong yung mga senators mo ng napaka-basic na mga question, halimbawa, sino-sino na po ba yung nabuo sa board? Magkano po ang sweldo? Ano po ba mga klaseng investment ang gusto nyo? The fact na nagtatanong sila ng mga basic questions tells me na wala silang impormasyon tungkol dyan sa Maharlika Investment Fund na yan.